Yes, students, welcome to the class of English. Today, we are going to read about grammar. Okay, in your grammar, there are certain topics like correct form of the verb, second, parts of speech, third, subject, verb, agreement, next, narration, and the last one is modals. Okay, correct form of the verb, parts of speech, subject verb agreement, narration and modals. Okay students, these are the 5 chapters including in your grammar. Let's read our first chapter, parts of speech. Let's see our first chapter, parts of speech. Parts of speech. Okay students, see, speech, you know that speech can be called भाषण. स्पीच को हम शाब्दिक अर्थों में क्या कहते हैं? भाषण कहते हैं. But here speech represents a word, not भाषण. स्पीच यहाँ क्या है? वर्ड है. And we have to read about the parts of word. It means we can say it शब्द भेद. It is शब्द भेद. Okay, there are 8 types. There are 8 types of parts of speech. 1. Noun. Second, pronoun. Third, adjective. Fourth, verb. Fifth, adverb. 6, preposition. 7th, conjunction. And last, interjection. Okay students, there are 8 types of parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Okay, let's see about our first type, noun. Okay, let's see about first topic of parts of speech, noun. Now, see, noun is the naming word. Noun is the naming word of a person place or thing. Noun is the naming word of a person, place or thing. We can see a person, place and thing are all noun. Like Alwar. Alwar. You know about Alwar? Alwar is a place. That's why it is a noun. Okay. Like Manoj. You know about Manoj? It is a person. That's why it is also noun. Okay. See this. See this. This is a marker. This is a marker. And you can see marker is a thing. Marker is a thing. That's why it is also noun. Okay. We can see noun is the naming word of a person, place or thing. Here you can see place. Alwar. It is a noun. Manoj. Person. Noun. Marker. Thing. Noun. Okay. I hope you all understand what is a noun and you have read about them in your previous classes as well. Let's move ahead. About kinds of noun. Kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun. First, proper. Second, common. Third, collective. Fourth, abstract. And last, material. Okay. We can see the following noun with the following chart. Let's see the chart. See, noun are of 2 types. Basically nouns are of 2 types: concrete and abstract. Concrete and abstract. Mood and amurt. When we classify concrete, it becomes 2: proper and common. Proper and common, and abstract has no subkind. In proper there is no subkind, but common have 2: collective and material. Collective and material. Okay. Thus we can say noun are of 5 kinds: proper, common, collective, material and abstract. Okay. Because concrete have 2 types and common have 2 types and one is abstract. Thus noun are of 5 types: proper, common, collective, abstract and material noun. Okay, let's see ahead. Let's see about proper noun. Proper noun. Proper noun means the particular name of a person, particular name of a person, place or thing. The particular name of a person, place or thing is called proper noun. Okay, like for example we can say Mohit, name of a person. Yes, for example Mohit, name of a person, it's called proper noun. Okay, like located, it is a marker, but we can see here DOMS. Here it is written DOMS. It means we can say DOMS marker. DOMS marker, it becomes proper. Why? It is a thing, but name. It represents name. Here we can see it is a marker, but in this marker you can see the name of a company product. Okay, when there is a company name, we can use proper noun. Let's see next thing, place. We live in Hindon city. You can see Hindon is a name of city. That's why it is proper noun. It is proper noun. Okay, let's see further. Common noun. Common noun represents the class of a person, place or thing. The class of a person, place or thing is called common noun. In previous noun, in proper noun, we read about Mohit. Mohit is the name of a person. That's why it is proper noun. It is proper noun. But now we can say boy. Mohit can be a boy. Now boy. Mohit can be a man. Mohit can be a boy. Mohit can be a man. Now you can see boy, man, both are the class of a person. That's why these two are common noun. These two are common. Okay, boy and man both are common noun. See, we read about DOMS marker. DOMS marker. You can see DOMS, name of a company. But when we use, it is a marker. Only marker without any name. It becomes common. It becomes common. टॉमस मार्कर क्या हो जाएगा? प्रॉपर. लेकिन जब उसका नाम नहीं होगा, केवल मार्कर होगा, क्या बन जाएगा? कॉमन. उसी प्रकार हिंडौन सिटी, हिंडौन सिटी, you can see name of city Hindon, that's why it is proper. But only city, it is a common, it is a common. Okay, I hope you all understand it very well. What is a common noun? Class of a person, place or thing is called common noun. Like मोहित का कॉमन क्या होगा? बॉय एंड मैन. मार्कर कॉमन नाउन. सिटी कॉमन. ओके, लेट्स मूव अहेड. One important thing that you have to remember or keep in your mind, that every proper noun can be a common noun. Every proper noun can be a common noun, but every common noun can't be a proper noun. What does this say? Listen, प्रत्येक प्रॉपर नाउन को कॉमन नाउन बनाया जा सकता है, लेकिन प्रत्येक कॉमन नाउन को क्या नहीं बनाया जा सकता? प्रॉपर नाउन नहीं बनाया जा सकता. ओके, लेट्स मूव फॉर नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ नाउन, दैट इज abstract. That is abstract. Abstract noun, it means भाववाचक संज्ञा. कौन सी नाउन हुई? भाववाचक संज्ञा. Abstract noun. What is an abstract noun? Which we can't see or touch. जिसे हम ना तो देख सकते हैं ना ही छू सकते हैं, क्या कहलाती है? आवश्यक नाउन कहलाती है. इट कैन ओनली बी ओनली फील. इसे केवल क्या किया जा सकता है? फील किया जा सकता है, रियलाइज किया जा सकता है, महसूस किया जा सकता है. आवश्यक नाउन कहलाती है. लाइक चाइल्डहुड, इट मीन्स बचपन. आपका अभी चल रहा है, मेरा निकल गया है, आपके पेरेंट्स का निकल गया है. आप अभी बचपन को जी रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या आपने कभी बचपन देखा है? नॉट पॉसिबल. वी कांट सी, हम उसे देख नहीं सकते, ना ही उसे छू सकते हैं, बट वी कैन फील इट इज आवर चाइल्डहुड, कि हमारा बचपन है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई चाइल्डहुड इज एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, जिसे केवल फील किया जा सकता है, देखा या छुआ नहीं जा सकता. क्या कहलाता है? एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. लाइक डेथ, मृत्यु. सपोज कोई इंसान आपके सामने मरा हुआ पड़ा है, ओके, हम कहेंगे वो मृत व्यक्ति है, उसकी मृत्यु हो गई है। हम उस मृत्यु को छू सकते हैं? नहीं। हम उस मृत्यु को देख सकते हैं? नहीं। हम उस डेड बॉडी को, हम उसके शरीर को देख सकते हैं, उस मृत्यु को नहीं देख सकते। हम उस मृत्यु को केवल क्या कर सकते हैं? फील कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि उस व्यक्ति के अंदर क्या नहीं है? क्या नहीं है? उसके अंदर जीवन नहीं है। That's why death is also an abstract noun. Listen, death is also an abstract noun. Like sweetness. Sweetness, madhurta. It is also an abstract noun. It is also only feel, not see or touch. Okay? Okay.